Hey, little one. I see you got a boo-boo on your back. Who are you? Jumped the fence. Didn't quite make it, did you? Smart little things. They're already heading back over to the preserve. Look. Where'd they go? Hey, sweetheart. It's chilly. Y'all want to see what a tornado did last night? I'll show you the tree. 7 o'clock last night. The Ring camera went kaboom. Snapped that oak tree. That was a big old healthy oak tree. It missed the pump. Thank God Most High it missed the pump. But took down the tree. What are y'all doing? Walking around? It's chilly out here. He's back there snorting. Okay, I don't know where Miss Piggy's at. I'll just let him wander. It's nice to see y'all back. At least some of y'all. You're a little buck. I can tell. Gonna be a little buck. That's our little Joy Joy. This one I don't know. These are from the preserve. They're still not afraid though. Hey, sweetie. All right, y'all. I went to the store and had to buy a chainsaw. I don't have you nothing. And I was shocked at Lowe's. I don't get it. Everything in Lowe's, Christmas-wise, was 50% off. Thanksgiving was just 2 weeks ago. People just bought 2 weeks ago. I know what you want. And everything in their Christmassy was 50% off. I didn't get anything, but people were buying. There was a $100 turkey fryer for $40, stuff like that. Then I went into Walgreens, and all the Christmas stuff that you used to run the day after Christmas and get for half price was already half price. All the makeup, all the Olive Olay stuff, all the stuff you buy for all year. Hey, baby. So is all y'all's, is everywhere else like that too? Or is it just here in Florida? Just curious. I don't understand why things are, today's the 11th, and trees, decorations, lights, everything, 50% off. All right, bye, little dear. Bye, y'all. At least I'm sounding better. Love y'all.